How to remove collaboration on Instagram after posting. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First thing first, head over to your application Instagram. Make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then simply move into the post that you want to remove the collaborators. Now, if you click on this person icon, you will be able to see the collaborator that you have tagged. If you want to remove, click on this three dot. You will see tons of different options. You have to click on edit. Now once again click on this person icon. At the bottom, the collaborator will be visible to you. In order to remove, click on this cross icon. And there you go, the collaborator has been removed successfully. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.